नाम से करना क्योंकि ये कल से
మన పేర్లో ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ టిక్ కొట్టాలా
It's also called as a living forest because you will be seeing so many things which are quite evident here. So I came here yesterday itself and nearly spotted 15 to 17 different kinds of birds. So be very observant and there is so much to see. Look around you. So and I would also like to help you if you are into birding and everything to identify everything. Firstly, why it is called as Sakata 903 because this was the building which was built by the Britishers in their time. So they used to come here, stay, hunt, and then go back. Right now it's just for the sake of purpose. We don't use it, but just as a what to say? क्या बोल सकते हैं?
We can't go inside and see
No,
the
we cannot use
interiors.
it. But around you can go and you can.
बंद है क्या ये?
हाँ अभी बंद है. It's now a guest house for forest people. Then this will be your stay for today. 2 people can share the tent and accordingly you can take the tents. Other than that, this area behind you will be our briefing area plus dining area and everything. Whenever we are assembling for tea, snacks and anything, you will have to come here. Now you will have to move little with me because I need to show you few more things, which is the water saving stand plus that is our bio toilet. So we will be having bio toilet. How many of you have used bio toilet before? Few of you haven't. So first rule of using bio toilet is to check whether somebody is inside or not. Okay? Because there would be people who can be inside. So whenever you are going inside, please knock the door. And there is one way also the person inside can sing also, but it's very subjective.
तो डोर है ही नहीं.
ठीक है.
Raja, you have to sing for all of us.
I will give you a word. Okay, I will give you a word.
Then all of you will be standing outside. He'll be inside.
All right, no worries. I will give you a virtual tour how to use it. Knock it, go inside. You will see the square wooden square. Those who are not comfortable in squatting, we might have the stool as well. But those who are comfortable in squatting, they can go squat down, do your business, wipe it down with tissue paper. Don't use wet wipe because it don't degrade. So use tissue paper. On your right side or left side, you will find a sawdust. Cover it and then you can come out. There is one more pouch of soda and essential oil for fragrance and everything. At any point you feel that there is it's smelling or stinking, let us know, we'll replace that. Okay? Now that thing you will have to move with me, please. It's called as water saving stand. So to wash your utensils and everything, you will be using it. So whatever food waste is remaining, you can put it here in the white bucket. Then take water from inside, pour it, and then accordingly you can wash it. This will be for dishwashes and this will be for hand wash. Yeah. That blue color drum and everything, that will be your water refilling station, and this whole area is our. You can use it if you want to go out and have a like walk. You can go also. There is a small village of 15 to 20 houses. You can also explore that village as well. Right now it is. Let me check the timing.
Sir, what about brushing and all?
Yeah, so you can do brushing here. There is one more basin inside this.
There I can
yeah.
see that.
So you can use that wash basin for brushing and everything. Also you can use this area as well. So right now it's 3 o'clock. There are people who yet to come. So what we'll do at 4 o'clock, we'll start. How many of you opted for rentals? Yeah, so I will be having rentals here. You can easily collect rentals from me. Then 4:30 or somewhere around that, I will announce the timings for tea and snack. 6 o'clock will be one time where we will be having our briefing about trek and everything. And then 7 o'clock we'll have our dinner, then packing and everything, and then we are good to sleep. And then morning schedule I will let you know. I just want one head count from all of you.
Wake up in the morning.
Yeah, I will give you the timings in the briefing. 6 o'clock we are sitting for briefing. Right now I want head count. Can we have the head count? 1, 2, 3, 4 from
1,
2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7,
8.
9,
10,
14. All right, we are 21 people all together. There are 7 people who are yet to come. Once all of us are here, then we will do the upcoming things. Okay? Right
and
now,
Saurabh, there will not be any electricity, right, in the tent?
so there are few plugs and switches where you can charge your devices if they are drained. You can see in and around this guest house, you will see the plugs. So you can charge at night. There will be one light here, which will be common light. There is one more plug over there. You can charge your devices there as well.
And to go to the toilet, we have to go all round, right?
Yeah, go
In the night
outside,
also?
take left and then there.
All round.
Yeah, also use head torches at night. Those are rented. I will give you at 4 o'clock.
And how are you pairing us, like, in the for the room, for the tent?
It's gonna be male, female separate. So accordingly you can take. Also, if there are few couples, they can also share the tents. So it's fine. This will be my tent. So if you need any help at night, you can just call me at any point of time. Right now, what you all can do, you can tents, you can settle down. 4 o'clock I will start rentals, and then I will tell you the tea snacks timings as well. Okay. We'll also have the documentation round where I will be giving you the disclaimer forms. You have to sign the disclaimer form.
Introductions will be done at the time when everybody comes.
Yeah. People, thank you so much. I will be here around only.
And the
You can ask
offloading
me.
stuff will give tomorrow morning.
Yeah, during briefing I will go
But
have
we have to
around.
be back by 4, no? That's what.
4 बजे तक आ जाइए. You have
फिर उसके
one
बाद
nice
कब
hour.
टाइम मिलेगा?
उसके बाद 4:30. 4 के बाद you have time till 3 and snacks.
And sorry.
Very good.
And Saurabh, when coming back, we are coming here, right?
No.
बाद में लास्ट में?
लास्ट में यहाँ पे एक नल्लेर करके
नहीं
देता
है
है.
ना, तो फिर इधर फोटो वोटो
आपके क्लॉक रूम से यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे ऐसे.
हाँ, मतलब इधर फोटो वोटो निकाल के
Yes,
अभी
yes,
वापस नहीं आने वाले हैं.
पूरे फोटो निकाल लीजिए.
He is already taking.
Yeah, he's taking video only, Baba.
ఏం కనపట్లేదు. బా చల్లగా ఉన్నాయి.
It's a relief for you.
Snatch anything? No, no.
Who knows?
They want to snatch?
They're gonna snatch you. They can
Not
snatch.
us. No, no, no. What? Anything like मेरा चश्मा उसमें तो कुछ नहीं करना. मेरे को लेके गया तो कोई प्रॉब्लम, मेरा चश्मा नहीं जाना चाहिए. Look how they're fighting. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
वो भी डर रहे हैं।
They are not used to new human population.
चलो ना
चलो
चल come on.
जो OnePlus को करता लाइन आ गया
वो टावर में but there was one line
मेरा OnePlus का स्क्रीन डिस्प्ले रहता है हम 50,000 more than people use it.
Okay, just
मेरा OnePlus में हुआ था but they changed it here to
एंटिल ना एंटिल है ना ये हो सकता नहीं है
उसमें स्नेक है, स्नेक एनाकोंडा है।
एनाकोंडा
हाँ।
बट यार हो सकता है बिग स्नेक हो सकता है ये बिग एनाकोंडा
it is abandoned anthill है तो ये एक्टिव नहीं है
ऐसे मालूम आपको
बहुत छोटे वाले बंदर हैं ये।
फूटा लग रहा है ना
डरा रहा है वो हमें।
चलो I want to go back then we can go that side also ना वो साइड भी जा सकते हैं ना वो साइड कौन सी साइड था वो साइड भी है ना कुछ
वो विलेज साइड है ना।
रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है।
This is your year. Huh?
पानी के लिए आपको मग लाना
कैसा है?
You will only take
हाँ।
ये तो नहीं खाता क्या करेगा तो ले रहा है ना
है रिकॉर्डिंग है यहाँ।
अरे तू पूरा रिकॉर्ड क्यों देखने वाला है लंबा लंबा वीडियो 5 दिन का ट्रैक का
सोने के लिए वो टाइम लैप्स लगाने वाले
इधर चला है
या वो रेडीमेड मिलता है ना
रेडीमेड पूरी मिलता है
चिप्स की तरह तुमको तल लो वो ऐसे ही हो जाता
अच्छा ऐसे पूरी भी रेडीमेड ही मिल जाती है
तू वाकई ये करने आए हो क्या
कहो
तू वाकई डाइटिंग पे हो क्या तू वाकई काम करने आए वजन कुछ भी नहीं खाना इतना तो घर पे भी नहीं खाते शाम को क्या खाते घर पे
पूरी का डांस टेस्टी है
बहुत अच्छी है
नहीं बट नॉर्मली ज्यादा हो जाता था
हाँ
ऑफिशियल वीडियोग्राफर ऑफिशियल फोटोग्राफर कोई चैनल है क्या?
वो काउंट कर रहा है कौन कितना ले रहा है हाँ ये क्या रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा है कौन कितना ले रहा है भैया
चेक करूंगा रात को अरे
रात को
बस हो गया रिकॉर्डिंग कौन सारे में रिकॉर्ड करेगा तुम्हारा स्कूल में
and we believe that trekking is something which impacts your mind, body and spirit, and that's how the transformation happens. What do we mean by transformation? It's not like you are going as a person A and then you are becoming person B. That's a major thing, but maybe you are going back with little stronger bond with your friend, with your loved ones. You are going back with the small learnings from the nature. You are going back with one new friend from the trek. So that's how we believe that trek transforms like, and that is our vision. In this trek as well, we will be doing certain things. We will be having certain experiences, certain games, which will help us to have this transformation. Also, once we reach campsites, with the cup of tea, we'll be sitting for reflections and everything, where each of you will be sharing about the day and everything. So that's how we'll do. Right now, we are right here, Sakata base camp, and from here we'll start our tomorrow's trail, which is going to be 6 to 7 kilometers to Nayagaon Lake. Nayagaon is one of the largest lake in this area, and we will be tenting here. So in the initial part, there will be one point where we will be crossing a stream. So
Tomorrow itself will be crossing.
yeah, a small stream. For that, we'll have to remove shoes and everything. Then most of it is going to be a forest, thick wood forest, palash, and then maua, if you have heard maua.
After how many kilometers that river will come where we have to change our shoes?
It's not change the shoes, ना ये just cross करना है ना अपने
तो
को।
बस जूता खोलो और change.
You are walking in the river, just
वो
cross
तो
करना है।
नेक्स्ट डे रहेगा.
अच्छा.
तो सैंडल लेने की जरूरत नहीं है सैंडल वाली जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा
पानी
आप पहन सकते
ऊपर से चला जाता
नहीं
है.
कल तो नहीं चाहिए सैंडल कल तो नहीं
जूता
निकाल के करो और फिर दोबारा पहन लो जो.
सैंडल नहीं चाहिए कल को
Yes. मतलब थोड़ी देर की है तो इतना कोई दिक्कत नहीं. You can carry one thing. ठीक है. Mostly it's going to be a forest trail, and maybe in the introduction itself I told you that this is a living forest. So you will be seeing so many things, different plants, different birds.
Different animals.
If you are lucky, maybe some encounters. Maybe.
If you are unlucky, then
हाँ तो ये
And that's how our first day is going to be. Also, we will be carrying a packed lunch tomorrow. So on the way, we will be having a packed lunch. So our main objective is that we should be in the forest as much as we can. So by 3:30 we'll reach campsite, then tea, snacks and everything, and then we'll spend over the day over there. Here we'll do a stargazing session as well. I'll be carrying binocular. Yes, that laser light and as well. You ask about the difference, no? So in stargazing trek, it's specifically related to stargazing. Everything happens related to stargazing. We carry telescopes as well to see the planets and everything, the galaxy. So that's how it differs.
You don't carry that tomorrow?
For this trek, yeah, we don't carry. Okay. Next day, again from here, we'll be starting our day, and which is going to be nearly same 6 to 7 kilometers. But right now you walked a lot in the forest. This day, you'll be walking nearly 4 to 5 kilometers
Along the river.
throughout the river.
In the
Along
river.
the river, in the river, and then maybe if you want to,
That river is flowing water?
yeah, it's a flowing water. So it's called as Bawan Thadi River. Bawan why? 52 why? Because they said that it is made up of 52 different streams. So it's like a just name there, but it's made up of so many streams. So that's why Bawan Thadi stream. And that is the highlight of this day, where we will be walking throughout the river. And that this is one of the highlight of this trek as well, because trekkers go back with this profound memory of this walk. So I am also excited.
So, Saurabh, just one question. How much will be the water? Because it was said in the website that, if there is a lot of water,
अभी थोड़ा कम हो रहा है. knee
हो
level-
रहा है ना? Because
knee
बारिश
level तक रहेगा,
knee
knee
level
से
तक,
कम
तो हम
रहेगा.
जा सकते हैं.
Yes.
so basically shorts and chappal.
Yes. So before starting each day, no, we will be having a small briefing कि क्या carry करना है, क्या करना नहीं है अगले दिन के लिए. For now, this is just a
Okay.
overall plan.
हाँ, done.
Does this trek have the longer walk on the river or Chhattisgarh?
Chhattisgarh has the longest. Yes.
So ये कितने किलोमीटर का है ये वो?
4 to 5 kilometers.
In the river.
Yeah.
And what about Chhattisgarh?
Chhattisgarh, I am not exactly sure about the distance, but we walk for 2 days, I think. एक दो दिन चलते. And then we will be having a lunch over here. Yesterday I sat in a briefing. Somebody asked me, are we having a lunch inside the river? The lunch point is it's not going to be like that. We will be having somewhere.
another pani puri.
All right. And
So
then-
lunch is going to be all packed lunch only, ना?
yeah.
तो सुबह
Each
जब
day we will
breakfast करेंगे उतना भी पैक करेंगे.
yes. Immediately after breakfast, we will be packing our lunch. Now, once we reach our next campsite, which is Nailar campsite, यहाँ पे रहेंगे Swiss tent. We will be having a Swiss tent जिसमें अटैच बाथरूम रहेगा, बेड रहेगा, एंड वहाँ पे हमारा स्टाफ नहीं रहेगा, वहाँ के लोकल लोग खाना बनाएंगे. So that is going to be this way. And then Nailar से
परसों रात.
the last day will be little longer, not longer, 4 kilometers, little shorter than the day. We will go to Jhandi Mata, which is like a small hill over there, From there, you can literally see a forest around. So it's gonna be a viewpoint where we'll be going. On the way, we'll have a lunch, and then यहाँ से थोड़ा descend करके we'll reach Rukhad. Rukhad में there will be vehicles, the gypsy vehicles, and then from here we'll be coming here for 11 kilometers. And फिर यहाँ से आपका पिकअप पॉइंट रहेगा और आप जाओगे
नहीं वो
नागपुर
सफारी
में।
कहाँ होगा सफारी
यहाँ से हम थोड़ा सा नीचे आएंगे, एक डिसेंड रहेगा, फिर वहाँ से हम रुकखड़ तक आएंगे
7 किलोमीटर
11
किलोमीटर सफारी
yes.
So approximately every day we are going to walk around 7
7
kilometers.
7 and then 5 किलोमीटर।
ओके
ये क्या टाइम तक पहुंच जाएंगे हम
कौन से यहाँ पे?
लास्ट डे
यहाँ पे हम दोपहर,
वहाँ से पूरा सफारी एंड कब होगा
यहाँ पे समझ लो कि हमने सुबह शुरू कर दिया, लंच वगैरह करेंगे 11-12 1 बजे तक यहाँ पहुँचेंगे, 2 बजे तक यहाँ पहुँच के देन वी स्टार्ट
so by 3 trek is over
या बाय 3 2 3
From that Rukkad gate, if we need to go to Turya gate, how